Welcome, Sanitation Hackathon 2012. This project called WaterNess by the group called WaterHoles, namely Walter, Frederick, Walter Adrian, and Ian John. The problem areas we have tackled covers water quality mapping, monitor zero DF, and sanitation knowledge exchange. Our application is focused on advocacy, which is entitled WaterNess. It is made in HTML5 using jQuery mobile. It is a mobile web application, and the server will be using PHP MySQL to manage data coming from our zone experts. Our application WaterNess is derived from the adjective that we have created, which is actually taken from a two-word phrase that reads clear water, pronounced in one word as WaterNess. Our application aims to establish a means in managing local activities in the community actively by themselves, establish activities and events that can educate from the grassroots on how to preserve, maintain, and protect clean water. Its features: it accepts memberships, so it has pre-registration. The registration have confirmation and member approval. Once you're a member, you can either become a zone leader, which is an event organizer, supervising officer, or an area zone in charge. A member, which is a direct member of a given zone under a supervisor or a zone leader, and a WaterNess consultant. These consultants are experts, environmentalists, water researchers, environmental engineers, and professionals. They will be the consultant that will shed light to the events organized by zone leaders. Members can progress as zone leaders at any given time, depending on active participation. The application will have schedulers as well as can book interested parties for a given event. Example of events: sanitation event organizer, sanitation trekking, wherein we will invite participants for a trekking to possible locations, visit areas of consideration, to consult on water quality and water activities in the area. Water sampling expedition with geolocation pointers as two categories: contaminated rivers, seabeds, shorelines, and etc. Cleanup drive focused on water, examples: shorelines, riverbanks, barangay wells. Water preservation monitoring application comes also inside WaterNess as one of its features, wherein we can establish water Google mappings as to water quantity and quality. We will also have photo gallery of projects and or critical areas, and we will emphasize reportings like 911 calls from the community. These calls will be recorded in the WaterNess database and will be subject for consideration and study of experts.
On awareness side, we have developed a game application. This application is called the Trash to Salvage. The game is a role-playing game where characters gain experience by completing quests and defeating garbage monsters and level up accordingly. We will hold competitions for age group levels. The game will have to be continuously upgraded, and top player names will be always posted on online scoreboards. These top scores will be model citizens on sanitation awareness.
And on to the application demo.